In today's episode, Jerry and I complete the handrail that goes around on the first floor. Then we can move the scaffolding up and begin working on our top floor.
Good enough girl. Here we go, man.
Alrighty. I always thought that was chalk, but that looks like some sort of rock or a piece of glass or something.
It's called soapstone.
Soapstone.
Okay. See if I can turn that where it don't scour you.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm starting to burn my neck. Oh boy. This is the highest we've been so far. Okay, I don't like where I got this walk. I gotta move it over. And standing up on that and looking down over there was not fun.
No, she got a pair of eyeglasses on. It ain't no fun.
You got what?
Eyeglasses on, you know where you
Oh yeah.
find up both.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta go down and get a couple more braces.
Ooh. Oh, I grabbed the shorties.
You got the shorties.
I grabbed the shorties, okay. I didn't know there was different lengths.
Yeah, the others, I don't know, different brand, different scaffold. But
Oh. I'm getting hot now.
yeah, that's your. Now put that one on that second.
The second one.
Put this one on the top.
Okay.
I think that'll be good. We don't got tape measures here, do we?
I guess not. I'll go get one.
I get it.
Hey, sure? I don't care. Get down and go get it.
Yeah, so you got twice as far as you free.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get up here. Oh, my goodness. Okay. You know, if I didn't have a lot of trees here, boy, I could just see all the way around there.
Well, you'll be on up a little higher.
Yeah, because I'm not even to the height. Oh, Jerry, whoo! That thing just happened to curl right in my hand.
because I sure didn't try to catch it. Okay, I
Jump for it, huh?
I gotta get down just a little bit.
Now, get me some chalk.
Okay, hang on.
Soapstone.
Okay, now you need where? 12 feet from the top?
I'm gonna measure down to this depth.
Oh, from the deck up 12 feet.
Yep, 12 feet.
Okay, well then let me get up there.
Need it as far as we can out that way. That's just the reference point. It don't have to be there. But
Are you good?
Yep.
Okay, so 12 feet is right there.
just looking around how much post we got left. That's the top of the subfloor.
That's the top of the subfloor.
Now we can go up a little bit. You want to go up another 6 inches, but we gotta make our steps a little steeper.
So basically what you're saying is we'll be cutting off down to here?
Right.
Okay.
So all the rest of the posts plenty high, ain't they?
Oh yeah, yeah, this is probably the shortest one.
And that beam that goes this way will be 18 inches below that 12-foot mark
Okay.
to the top. You good with that?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Well, get started on the mark.
There's your soapstone.
If you measured down, let's see, 18 inches, 10 inches for the 9 1/4, 3/4 subfloor, and 8 inches. So 18 inches down from that mark, put me another mark.
Sorry, I handed it to you too soon. 10 inches down. Another mark.
That'll be the top of this cross beam.
Yeah.
Okay. How's that feel?
Well, it felt fine.
Kind of high.
It's high, especially when you stand up on top. If you do fall.
I do. Now we're gonna get this on film. I just want to see how much Can't ever wait till we'd have to have on. Anybody down there? Well, tomorrow we'll do the same thing over there. We'll put that other scaffold over there.
Okay.
And then I can run a board across between the two. Kind of help stabilize things. Give you a little more to stand on. I didn't sweep this part of the deck. Might want to sweep that
Okay.
up that way.
All right.
And we'll cover this thing up and call it a day.
Okay. Yeah, is this supposed to rain tomorrow?